In this video, we'll take a look at each of the laundry facilities available on the Disney Wonder, starting with Deck 2. There are also laundry facilities available on Decks 6 and 7. If you think you may take advantage of the self-service laundry, you might look at cabins that are located in proximity to one of the 3 laundry facilities. Each of the laundry rooms are basically the same. The only variance is the number of washers and dryers available. Each have the ability to purchase fabric softener or laundry detergent. Each also has an ironing board and iron and a utility sink. You purchase what are called e-tokens to use either the washer or the dryer, and these purchases are charged to your room. It is a bit crowded to use the iron, but it is handy to have it available if you need it. The laundry room on Deck 6 is a touch more crowded than Deck 2, although it does have one additional dryer available. If you choose a room closer to the laundry facilities, it's easier to check in on your laundry as well as check to see if machines are available to use. Deck 7's laundry room is the largest with 8 washers and 8 dryers. Being close to a laundry room has conveniences, but it can also be a little bit louder just because of the people and the machines being run. It can also be a little bit warmer because of all the heat being produced by the machines.